Did you know a helicopter pilot risked his $85,000 job to save ancient forests? Henry was flying routine patrols for a forestry company when he spotted something shocking: 500-year-old trees being cut down in protected areas during night operations. His employer was running a $20 million illegal clear-cutting scheme. Henry faced an impossible choice: stay silent and keep feeding his family, or expose the truth. He secretly photographed the destruction despite GPS tracking and supervisor warnings. The evidence triggered a federal investigation that sent the CEO to prison. Today, Henry leads aerial conservation across 3 states, protecting the forests he once watched being destroyed. Sometimes doing the right thing opens doors you never imagined.